Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever had that moment when someone subtly offers you a mint, and you just know something's up? Yeah, bad breath. It happens to the best of us. But don't worry, today we're tackling mouth odor with simple, effective home remedies. Let's go. Before we get into the solutions, let's talk about why your breath might be working against you. It could be bacteria buildup, smoking, underlying health conditions, dry mouth, certain foods, or even, dare I say, not flossing. But don't worry, we've got fixes for all of these. Alright, let's jump into the good stuff. Home remedies that actually work. Number 1. Brush and floss like a pro. Make sure to brush twice a day and floss. Fun fact, 80% of bad breath comes from bacteria stuck between your teeth. Right? Use fluoride toothpaste. Number 2. The tongue scraper magic. You might clean your teeth, but are you cleaning your tongue? A tongue scraper gets rid of stinky bacteria that regular brushing misses. Number 3. Hydration hack. Did you know that a dry mouth is a stinky mouth? Keep sipping water throughout the day to keep things fresh. You can as well chew sugar-free gum or eat citrus fruits like oranges to stimulate saliva production. Number 4. Natural antibacterial remedies. Clove chewing. Cloves release eugenol, which kills odor-causing bacteria. Just chew one, not the whole bottle, please. Apple cider vinegar rinse. Mix a little with water and gargle. It balances the pH in your mouth for fresher breath. Baking soda. Rinsing with a baking soda solution neutralizes acids and bacteria. Number 5. Herbal and food-based solutions. Parsley power. Parsley isn't just for fancy restaurant plates. It actually helps neutralize bad breath with chlorophyll. Cinnamon. It has antibacterial properties that freshen breath. Green tea. It is rich in antioxidants that reduce bacterial growth. These hacks are super easy to try at home, and they work like a charm. Now, let's make sure bad breath doesn't sneak up on us again. Avoid foods like garlic and onions before a big meeting. Quit smoking if you can. It's a major culprit for dry mouth and promotes bacterial growth. And most importantly, schedule regular dental checkups to help identify underlying causes. Alright, team, you know what to do. If you found these tips helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more awesome life hacks, and drop a comment below. What's your go-to breath freshener? Until next time, stay fresh.